Okay, so today's video is for the TJ rear quarter rub rails. These are pretty simple to put on, pretty straightforward. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you got to take the plastics out on both sides. There's just a couple bolts in them here. There's one here. This would be in here like this on this side. One down here, one here, here, here. Now you'll find them as you're taking it apart. There's like 4 or 5. So once you get that out, the next step is to take your rub rail. And we already have rub rails on this. This is the boss's kid's Jeep, got 2 wheels. But you're going to put this up, line it up, put this edge right on the back here, and you're going to mark this top hole, and you're going to mark this top hole. So drill them out, get these 2 bolts in, and they're on the inside. I'll show you here in a second. But once you get these first 2 bolts started, get them pretty tight, and then you can go through and drill right through and get the rest of your holes. That way everything's lined up right. So in here, they are a little tight on the gas tank side to get your hand up in there, but you can do it. It is possible. If you get up in there, Brady, you can see the bolts. Can you see them? Yep, there they are. You can get in at them pretty easy, so that's really all there is to it.